My daughter is a businesswoman, or should I say a business girl. We created an Etsy shop called Ella Created It, where she decided she wants to sell earrings. So please go and support her business journey. You may have seen little hands in many of my crafting videos, and that's because she is always beside me creating her own little creations. She loves crafting. So I made the decision to buy her and myself a laser machine. And ever since we got this thing, we've hit the ground running. I want to get her started on this journey to show her that with hard work and dedication, she can do this as a career. Now, of course, I'll be doing most of the work, but she is absolutely going to be putting in the work too. Gently squeeze, gently. That's enough. That's probably too much. Now remember, do not touch the glue. Just put the little thing right in there. Hold it right here. And put it right in the center. Ella's first pair of earrings that she made.
You do?
Yeah, we made.
Yeah.
Because we're a good team.
Yeah.
Okay, it's pretty good. Here. Let's put it right here. Here's our test batch. Now we're just gonna make sure that it looks fine on the ear. What do you think?
I love it.
All right.
Okay.
How does that look?
Beautiful.
Missy.
Beautiful. Next, we are gonna do the pumpkin. No!
Okay. What do you think?
Okay, it looks lovely. Write down in the comments below if you think these are pretty on my mom.
You're so funny. So right now we just cut out some new earrings. We're gonna do some little emoji earrings. I'm just cleaning them off because some of them are a little dirty from the laser, and I'm just gonna get them ready for Ella so she can color them in. And once it's colored, it's gonna look like this. She is so excited to be doing this, and she cannot wait to open this little store. I really plan on just pouring into my children this year. I want to build them up for success. You know, I look at them and I don't want them to go through the things that I had to go through. Every single job, except the job that I have now, every single job that I've ever had in my entire life, I absolutely hated. I hated. That takes such a toll on your mental health, and I just don't want my kids to go through crappy job after crappy job like I had to do. While Ella has this little shop, Brantley is going to be learning coding. So if you guys would like to support her journey, I will post the link to her shop in the description, and it would mean so much to her. It would mean a lot to me, but I know it's gonna mean so much to her if you guys go out and support her. Okay, Ella, what would you like to tell the people about your business?
I would tell them thank you for coming to my store if they actually came or bought something.
Okay, cool. Go and support. Ella Created It.